Hi everybody, it's me, Christina, the mobile home mama, saying goodbye to a good friend of mine. This is called the Salamonie. She's been here for about a year now and she's found her new home. And I wanted to talk about this because this home has done so well for us that I have ordered the almost exact replica. I souped it up just a little bit more. So we put the ultimate home package in this house. That means you're gonna have shutters or lineal trims. Let me back up. Lineal trims on the outside. Now, looking at the skirting, I added a metal skirt. If this is going on a crawl space or a basement, that's gonna be all concrete. So whatever you would like, and whatever your county says is gonna tell you what kind of foundation you have to put under it. So that's up to you. Basic piers, slab, crawl space, or basement. Those are your options. Let's head on inside and check it out. A little tongue-tied on this Monday morning. Get it together, Christina. All right, I'd like to invite you and your family to our annual open house where I will be debuting the new Salamonie, and it's gonna be a beauty. Please join us. We'll put you in a nice hotel, feed you, lots of cool stuff. And by the way, if you purchase that day, we are maxing out the installation for free. So it's a great opportunity. This home I have included with the optional Serenity wardrobe. What that means is you're gonna walk in and you're gonna have a coat closet. Now, on the other side of the wall behind me, you're gonna see when I get into the master bedroom that this is all closet. The standard floor plan, that is not there. This is one huge great room. So lots of variations to this floor plan. That's probably why it's so popular. Also available in 3 different sizes. This baby is the middle size. So let's check it out. Wide open to the living room. Everybody loves that. And also pay attention here because typically a 28 wide is the common width on a manufactured home. This is a 32. That 32 is just gonna change, that 4 feet makes a world of difference, gonna give you lots more elbow room. So look here, got a good entertainment center wall there. Other people have had me add a TV wall brace here so they could swivel their TV. Either way, plenty of space for whatever you want to do. It's got a large living room. That's what I'm trying to say on this Monday morning. I'm having a hard time getting things out. Look at this beautiful kitchen. Cabinets galore. In the ultimate home package, we're going to take the cabinets to the ceiling. We're going to do a drawer over a door. That means everywhere where there's a door, you're going to find a drawer up above it. And let me tell you, in that package, it pretty much has everything. All of the cosmetic things and some good construction stuff with a 2x6 wall. Over here, we've got a nice large 46 by 61 window. Same thing matching over here. Now, a lot of people say, where am I gonna put my TV? Well, that's one option. The other thing that I can do is I can split these windows apart on each side and do a nice entertainment center in the middle, or we could do a fireplace in the middle, or just put a TV wall brace so that you can hang a flat screen. That's an option too. So good variations in this floor plan. Perimeter heat, there it is. That's part of that ultimate home package. Also the style trim up above. These are little tiny things you wouldn't normally think of, but you see how that trim up there, that's gonna give you the look and feel of a stick-built home. Crescent edging in the kitchen, that's a rounding of the countertops. Another word for that is bullnose. The black handles, the recessed can lighting. What else is going on in here? The valance board. A lot of people miss that. Mini blinds throughout. Best part is we install them. So lots of good stuff in that ultimate home package. Another great feature is a full wall of ceramic on the range wall. You choose all of those colors, by the way. I added an extra wall over here just to kind of juice it up a little bit. Hey, let's keep going. Utility room. Very large utility room, perfect if you're adding this home to a garage or you're doing a breezeway. Let's talk about that. If this home is going on a basement, you cannot cut through that steel frame. If you do, it voids your warranty on that entire frame. Don't do that. Add a breezeway attached to the building and then put a garage on the other side of that. Then you got a really, really huge mud room and a great space for freezers and whatnot. Okay, washer dryer goes there. Optional L-shaped utility sink, cabinetry sink slash just a great place to wash your vegetables or wash your husband when he comes in from being dirty, oily, and covered in grass. Here we go. This is the utility sink. I don't know how long my arms are. Not very when you meet me in person, but I don't know how deep that is, but it's pretty deep. Okay, looking over here. Furnace, water heater, add a door. I missed that part. Add a door when you're doing this home. Okay, I also enlarged the island. The standard island is a 2-seater. So if you can imagine, the island cuts off right about here. So does the extra cabinetry. Enlarge that island for a small fee. You will not regret it. Okay, I'm gonna save the best for last. Let's head this way. Added an optional hall bath. I was really having large families in mind when I designed this home. So I wanted to do the optional hall bath, which added an extra door and kind of shut off the shower area. In the Ultimate Home Package, you're gonna have a cabinet that you can put over the toilet. Put that thing in here, because when we get to the master bath, you're gonna see there's storage everywhere, okay? Keep the tub shower, add the window. Let me back up. Double sinks, also in that package, with some drawers in the middle of the optional hall bath. Framed mirrors, part of the Ultimate Home Package. Hi, I really hope to see you guys on September the 4th, the largest sale of the year, headed into these extra large bedrooms. And let me tell you, we give away some discounts that day. I'm already booked solid, but if you get here, I will see you. I'm gonna be here probably for about 24 hours straight, handing out deals. That's not official, so don't show up at midnight cussing me out, but I'm gonna be here pretty late and starting early. Here we go. That was bed 2. Here's bed 3. Very similar in sizes. I would say maybe 2 inches off between the two. And then everywhere in this room, every bedroom is gonna have a large walk-in closet. Yep, I'm here for that. Okay, here it is. So, keeping in mind, I was designing for a large family. I wanted the parents to be able to shut off their room and kind of have an oasis for themselves. So, you're gonna see about a 16-foot master bedroom. Of course, a lot of people are gonna put their bed right there, but you do have plenty of space on this wall. I don't know how I'm gonna do the new one, because I think I'd like to try some different variations of that, because either way, we can put a TV wall brace on either wall, and that could be your TV wall. So lots of things to do, and I'm gonna try some different things. Now, optional Serenity wardrobe. You're gonna get this large closet. Let me turn the lights on. It's funny because people come and they tour here, and they're used to turning all the lights off in their own house, so they do it here too. I did add an extra shirt and skirt rack there, and then I added this closet organizer. That's up to you. You don't have to add those things. So part of the Ultimate Home Package, the trim, the nice molded trim right here. And then you guys really know my hands pretty well, don't you? I just realized that in just a split second. Like, you're always seeing my hands, not very often. Oh, my fingers are cramping. Seeing my face. There is a real person here, and I'm just like you guys. Okay, headed into the Serenity bath. I told you there was lots of storage, right? You got a little bench with cubbies underneath. Lots of storage here in this, I want to say it's a 29-inch linen. Don't hold me to that, but it looks bigger than, maybe a 21. 21 or 29. Who's counting the inches, right? Here we go. Into the deck tub. Update, this is squared now and much larger with a built-in bookcase over here. Double vanity. The holes in the bottom are gone now. Wanted to make sure you knew that. It's all just cabinetry there. And notice this. Hey, this matches the other bath. I just realized that. You got a bank of drawers in the middle and cabinets on both sides. And then this is also very cute. A little shelf right here to put all of your stuff on the top. Framed mirrors. The Mobile Home Mama. Hi. And then heading over here, this is the beauty, right? The Serenity shower. Got a shower, what would you call that? You know, the temperature thing right here. I should know this, right? Faucet controller here. Hey, that's a new one. One over here with a shower wand and the rain shower head with a standard light. Hey, whenever you're building a home, make sure you put a light in the shower. It's really important in IMO, in my opinion. And finally, last but not least, a private throne for you to do your business, read your magazines that you store over here on the bookshelf. along with towels, all the things. Now, on the new home, I did a 30 by 36 window. I'm excited to see how that's gonna look. Letting some more natural light in, but it is a private commode where you can shut the door and do your business in peace. Hey, I'm so happy you guys are with me, and I'm so happy to represent Champion Homes because we really do make a beautiful home. The next time you're in Topeka, Indiana, stop on by. I'd love to see you. Bye-bye.